Introduction: Transferring files from iPhone to Android.
Switching files between iPhones and Androids can seem tricky, especially without third-party apps. Fortunately, there are practical, app-free methods for moving photos, videos, and documents. In this guide, you'll learn how to use built-in tools and QR codes to send files quickly and securely from your iPhone to any Android device.
Using email and cloud storage.
One of the easiest ways to transfer files is by using email or cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud. Simply attach the files to an email or upload them to the cloud, then access them on your Android device. This method works well for photos, documents, and even larger files, as long as you have internet access.
Sending images and videos via QR codes.
To share photos or videos, use your iPhone Gallery Share option and choose Copy iCloud Link or Create Link. Convert this link into a QR code using your browser. The Android device can then scan the code using its camera or a built-in scanner to access the files directly, with no app needed.
Sharing files with Bluetooth and Nearby Share.
While iPhones use AirDrop, it doesn't work with Android. Instead, you can use Bluetooth for simple files like contacts and some documents. On iPhone, open the file, select Share, and choose Bluetooth. Pair the devices and accept the transfer on Android. Note that for media-rich files, cloud or web methods are more reliable.
Tips for success in troubleshooting.
Make sure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi, have enough storage, and support the file formats you're sending. Email and cloud links may expire, so download files promptly. For QR code transfers, ensure the link is public or set to anyone with link. If one method fails, try another to ensure smooth transfer.
Conclusion: easy, app-free transfers.
Transferring files from iPhone to Android without special acts is simple with built-in features: email, cloud storage, Bluetooth, and QR codes. These methods keep your files secure and accessible. With just a few steps, you can move your important data, no extra downloads required.